Hello there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's make this amazing transparency effect in PowerPoint in just a few minutes with move transition as well. If you want this template, you can download it for free from the link in the description below. So first of all, open up a blank template, right click on it, go to format shape, and we're gonna just change the format background to black. We're gonna insert this blob image. I'll also add this in the product, the link that I will give in the description. Now we're gonna change this transparency to about 50 or 20%. Then we're gonna insert a text box with our text. Write whatever you want in this, increase the size, change its color to white, and I'm gonna just change its alignment to middle. The next thing we have to do is just send it to the back, duplicate this text box using Ctrl+D key, and I'm also gonna send it to the back. But first let's go to right click on it, go to format text, go to text options and increase the transparency so that it is barely visible. Now send it to the back. Now duplicate it again, send it to the back, and we're gonna increase its transparency to around 99% that is barely visible. Group all of this using Ctrl+D, put it into the middle and the center of your template. Then we're gonna insert two straight lines, one on the right and one on the left, and we're gonna change their color to white. This is for extra effects that we wanna add for our neat template. So this is how it looks like. I'm gonna go to images and insert that blob image again, but this time I'm gonna send it to the back as well. But what I'm gonna do is just rotate it a bit and put it on the left and the right corners one by one and change their positions a bit. Now our template is totally ready. Let's send it into the back. Now what we're gonna do is duplicate this template. Go to the first one and we're gonna move everything out of our template using shift key and rotate them as well so that we can later give it more transition. Also, you just need to move everything out of your template. Either it can be left, right, or top or bottom of your template. That depends where your shape is sitting at. So let me just rotate this as well. Now select both your template, go to transitions tab, give them move transition. This is the final result after doing everything. If you like this tutorial, make sure to hit the bell icon and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can get this free template from the link in the description below with the blobs.